Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government added another incident to its failures and embarrassment as it tried to hide the recent death of a very senior official of US Embassy in New Delhi due to COVID-19. This was the second such incident in which deaths have occurred among US diplomatic staff in India due to COVID-19. A report said that at least 2 US diplomatic staffers died of COVID-19 in India, while as many as 100 were infected with the deadly Indian variant of the virus. CNN, while quoting sources, have already said that the staff members in the US Embassy in New Delhi are frustrated because they felt that they were not given clear information about what safeguards were being provided to them for the necessary safety from COVID-19. A report released by Kashmir Media Service today said Modi regime totally failed to curb the spread of coronavirus in the country, resulting in thousands of deaths across the country due to the virus. The report said that Modi government failed to take measures to timely arrange the medical oxygen when the second wave of the COVID-19 hit India. Instead, it resorted to propaganda and fudged the figures regarding COVID-related deaths and infections in the country. The report maintained that foreign media gave Modi the title of super spreader of coronavirus as he addressed big election rallies and allowed the holding of Hindu festival Kumbh Mela during the peak of the second wave of the pandemic. The incidents of COVID-related deaths in high-profile persons in India have further raised questions about the safety measures in India. The question is, when the Modi regime is unable to save the high-profile people like diplomats from COVID-19, what can be expected from it to do for the safety of the ordinary Indian citizens? Hushing up the death of a senior US diplomat due to the lack of the measures very important to be taken for the safety of diplomats of various countries is indeed shameful. With well over 29 million infected people and nearly 360,000 deaths, India became the third world COVID-hit country in the world, mainly due to Modi regime's incompetence, bad management, and most of all, the sole priority to accomplish its nefarious and Nazi-like Hindutva agenda. Despite all the havoc India is still going through and the bad name Modi government has brought for its country, it still seems not learning a lesson as it hasn't changed its priorities. It is hell-bent to change the demography of occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Modi regime is responsible for the loss of precious lives of Indians and foreigners. One would like to see when this fascist regime will be held accountable for that. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.